Hi friends, today we are going to solve LeetCode 33 problem. Search in rotated sorted array. We have integer array which is sorted in ascending order with the distinct elements, and it also rotated k times. So finally we got rotated sorted array and one target. We need to return index of the target. If target is not available in the input, we need to return -1 as the output. Algorithm should work in log n time. So this is the original array. After rotating 3 times, it becomes like this. So now we have this input array and target 0. As index of target is 4, we need to return 4 as the output. This is the example 2. This is the rotated sorted array. Target is 3. As target not available in the given input array, we need to return -1 as the output. Let's see different approaches to solve this particular problem. Which one is the linear search? As per linear search, we will compare target with each item. Whenever we find target item, we will return index of that particular item. If we not find, we will return -1 as the output. Time complexity for this particular approach is order of n. But in the problem description, it was clearly mentioned time complexity should be log n. So as it is not the optimal way, we are not considering this particular approach. The approach 2 is based on binary search. Binary search works based on mid element. In binary search, in each iteration, we skip half of the elements from the array. For this problem is, in the rotated sorted array, always one half is sorted at mid. This intuition helps us to skip half of the elements in each iteration. Let's understand the intuition from examples. This example contains 7 elements, so mid pointing to the index 3. If we take first half 4, 5, 6, 7, it is sorted. If we take second half 7, 0, 1, 2, it is not sorted. So our intuition is satisfied for this example. So second example contains 6 elements. So midpoint into the index 2. So if we take first half 5, 6, 1, it is not sorted. If we take second half 1, 2, 3, 4, it is sorted. So our intuition is satisfied for this example. To get more insight on the intuition, play with your own examples. Next, we will discuss how to skip half of the element from rotated sorted array in each iteration. Our intuition is always one half is sorted at mid in rotated sorted array. First of all, L points to the 0 and R points to the last index. So we need to calculate mid. Once we calculate mid, we will compare target with the mid element at mid. If they both matched, we will return mid as the output. Otherwise, you need to pick sorted off, that is left to mid or mid to right. In the given input example, so first off is sorted. So we pick this part. Once this is picked, we need to check this condition. Check if the target is in between the sorted off of the boundaries. If it is true, so if it is in between, we will adjust the search space to sorted off. That means actually in next iteration we will search in this sorted off. If it is false, okay, so we will adjust search space to other rotated off. That means other off. Okay, so in our example, target is 0. Is target 0 is in between boundaries 4 and 7? No. So this false is true. So as per this, we need to adjust search space to other off. That means we need to adjust R to here. In this way, we are skipping first off here. So if it is true, we will skip this part. In this way, always we will skip one off. Let's try run the given input array. Initially, L points to the starting index 0, R points to the last index 6. So as per step 2, mid will be calculated. So mid points to the index 3. So and we compare target 0 with the 7. So these are not matched. So as they are not matched, we need to go for step 3. So as per step 3, we need to pick sorted off. Here, left off is sorted. So 4 to 7 is sorted. Once that is done, we need to check step 4. So check if target is in between the sorted off boundaries. Here if you see sorted boundaries are 4 to 7. So now is 0 in between 4 and 7? No. So here this condition is true. So as per this, adjust this space to other off. That means rotated off. So as per this, we need to adjust L to M plus 1. So we are pointing L to here. That means we are skipping first off in the given input array. So again, we will start with the step 2. As per step 2, again we will calculate mid. So now mid is points to the index 5. Okay, so once that is done, we need to pick sorted off. So this time, this is the sorted off. So again, we need to check step 4. As per step 4, check if target is in between the sorted off boundaries. Now our target is 0. Is 0 in between 0 and 1? Yes, this time this is true. So as per this, adjust this search space to sorted off. Our sorted off is this, right? So we need to adjust search space to this part. That means we need to adjust, we need to move R to M minus 1. So this time R also points to the 4. So again, we will go for step 2. This time mid also points to the 4. Okay, so we will compare this 0 with the target 0. As these two are matched, we will return 4 as the output. If you observe, in each iteration, we skip off. Here we skip this off. Here we skip right off in this way.
For the interest of time, I already typed the code. Let me walk you through the code. Initially, we declared the left and right, and we initialize left to the 0 and right to the last index of the input array. We are running the while loop. First of all, we are calculating the mid, and we are checking mid element with the target. If they matched, we are returning mid as the result. Okay. If they not matched, we are checking if left off is sorted. If left off is sorted, we are checking the target is in between the left boundaries. So left boundaries are left and M. So if it found, we are setting the next search space to sorted off. Otherwise, we are setting the next search space to other off. So if left part is not sorted, here right part is already automatically sorted as per the intuition. Here we are checking if the target is in between the boundaries of right off. If it found, we are setting the next search space to the sorted off. Otherwise, we are setting the search space to the other off. So by if input array doesn't contain the target, we are returning the -1. Let me run this code. The sample test case is passed. Let me submit this. It's submitted. If you like the content, like the video and subscribe. Thank you.